precision. Hey, let me rock you out. Hey, girl, how are you wine all night?
Hey my loves, it's your girl KAMAA NETE, and I am back with another video. I know it's been a minute, I know I missed, but your girl had to take care of some things, but I'm back. So we're gonna go in with this new product that I bought called Exotic Pop. Guys, I'm so excited to use this. I already have a full face, so we're just gonna be working on my eyes today. And I also had bought some of their brushes just to see how they worked and everything like that. That's one of the brushes that I'm gonna probably be trying to use. And this is the palette. Guys, girls, my loves, 88 shades. You see that again? Look at it, 88 shades. Definitely can't wait. So I'm here trying to figure out what look I want to go with, because with all those shades, what can I or what I can't do. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Glow. And that's gonna be basically my transitioning, color. I'm in the bathroom right now, so I'm using a different type of mirror so I could be able to see. So sorry if I'm not looking into the camera. But right now I'm just packing in that color, Glow, to, start my transitioning. The brush was a little hard to work with. I'm not sure if because it's new or anything like that, but it wasn't really flexible and it was hard to try and blend with. But those are both my eyes with that color Glow on. Now I'm going to be going in with the color Lollipop, which is like a pink coral. And I'm just going to be going ahead and meshing the two, starting that gradient effect, and just blend. Guys, if you haven't already, please like this video, give me that nice beautiful thumbs up, and if you are not connected, please subscribe down below. Thank you. And that's how it looks on one eye. I ended up having to change the brush because the other brush wasn't packing it on the way that I wanted it to. So, change the brush and you see how the color is looking more poppin'. Now I'm going in with this color called Summer Rose. As you can see, it is a rose color. And we're going to put that underneath Lollipop and just blend up, creating that nice gradient effect from light to dark, dark to light. So that's how it looks on both of my eyes. Not too bad, not too bad. The palette has, a lot of fallout, but it's not a bad palette at all. Now we're going to go in with the shimmer, and it's called Music Box. It's basically purple, but it has like a blue reflect to it. And I'm going to be putting that all on my lid. It did take me some time to go ahead and put it on, but I took the time, beauty takes time. Beauty takes time. Still me putting that on. Just wanted to make sure that it's all on there and that the pigment shows. So that's how it is on one of my eyes. And this is how it is on both of my eyes. Now I'm going in with another shimmer called After Party. And I'm going to be putting that in the middle of my lids, giving my eyes a halo effect. Again, I had to do some work and build it up just to make sure that the pigment can show on the eyes. So that's how it's looking so far. That's how it looks on both my eyes. If it starts to get muddled, it's okay. You can go back in. So that's what I did right here. I took Music Box and I brought it back in so that we didn't lose the color. Look at that. It's coming together. And there we go. I'm just taking a little bit of After Party and I'm just blending that out to make sure that the halo effect is, you know, very prominent there. And I'm blending the two so it doesn't look so stiff. Now, at the bottom they have a row of glitters, and I'm going to be going in with Night Watch, just a little bit. And I'm going to be putting that right on top of After Party. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara, make myself look a little bit more presentable, you know? Boom. Look at that right there. Okay, girl. All right, relax. Okay, relax. I went ahead and I put on a green eyeliner to give that look a little bit more of a pop. I have on a brown chocolate liner, and I'm taking a rosy lipstick and I'm putting it on top to mesh the two together. Yes, look at that here. I think it came out pretty good. This palette is actually really great. Here's a highlighter that I'm putting on. That's how it looks in the container. Just make sure you go and put your highlighter on your highlighter points. And boom, now it looked like a ray of gold with some pop rock to it. But here's the look, guys. So this is the palette, once again, Exotic Pop. I like this palette. It was really nice. The only thing about it is there's a lot of fallout. And then we also have the brushes. Those are the ones that I used. It wasn't so bad, but they were very hard to work with. I don't know if it's because they need to be broken in or anything like that, but you know. And that's the video, guys. So I hope you guys liked it. Here's my look. I was feeling it. So please give me that thumbs up. If you're not connected, please subscribe down below. Continue to be my friends, my family, and my loved ones. And I hope to see you guys again. Bye. Love you.